Music industry in a big trouble. The cultural aspect of Jamaica is in a big trouble. I'm telling you earlier already, sometime up in the year, say, we'll lose the legend them. The legend them a transition, and there's no replacement. First thing more.
People, bless upon yourself, see? Brand new year, brand new things, serious things, yes? That you now listen to just now is none other than Foota Hype, see? Foota Hype are complaining about the standard of the music and the fact that based on falling standards, Jamaica will lose its music and its culture. See? Now for 2026, yeah, we have to take them things serious. Listen a little more of Foota.
Jamaica in trouble. The standard of the music drop. The output of the music drop. The dominance of the music in the entertainment space in the world drop. I am sorry to say, but the modern day artist has failed us. Enough of them are going to vex when I'm talking. Zine.
Yeah man, you hear that? The standard drop. The morals drop. The nowadays artists have failed us. Pull up a chair, make we talk about this. See? Yeah, because it's serious, you know. I remember a couple of years ago, an American reggae group, win the Grammy Awards. And we're up in our arms about it. Ray and how them if we make foreigner and white people win the Grammy. And Ray. But we put the blame on the wrong people. We sought at the time to blame everybody but ourselves. The Grammy board and the Mali them a buy it out and the this and the that and the other. Now here Foota say it yeah. The standard drop. But the standard not just drop. The standard drop for a while now. And you have some things that cause this thing to happen. Yeah? And we have to just be real and true to ourselves. Why the standard drop? Alright, let me tell you about music and how it works. If music not get no promotion, it dies in its infancy. Yeah? If you make music and you left it by your tape and never expose it to the light of day, might as well you never make it. But if you make music and put it out and you not promote it or it not get no promotion, again, you may as well never put it out. See? But how easy is it to promote music in the Jamaican space? And I should probably expand that to say, just generally in the world, how easy is it to promote music? But make we localize this, and we're going to start out by saying, and I would have liked somebody ask Foota this question, saying, and this is not a criticism of Foota Hype per se. Big up yourself, Foota. Saying, we're not doing the thing and we do our thing, and you know, see it? We don't want it to be like, boy, we are challenging no man thing, but we just want to expand the discussion. Foota complains that we lose the legends. Now the legends would have established themselves, leave a footprint, leave a mark of quality work on the space. Yeah? Leave work that would have taken the music to international levels and places. Yeah? Now, again, Foota complaining that we're losing the legends, but who is to replace these legends? And I want to ask Foota in the first place. Music is being made, but what have you been playing? What has sound systems in Jamaica been playing over the past several years? What have you promoted? Are you complicit in this killing of said culture that you speak of? Yeah? I hear you said Jimmy Cliff gone. If somebody today was making music like Jimmy Cliff made, how much of it would you play when you are playing nighttime? How much of it would any of you selectors play when you not play at nighttime? If a man did come out here now doing music the standard of Burning Spear, how much of it would you play when you are spin at nighttime and I work for your money pull up? If we are going to be true, we have to be true across the board. Yeah? So how complicit are you selectors in this depreciation that we see are happening in the culture? And if we lose the culture, how much blame only should I take? Because of one thing, reggae music now gone away, It's one thing we know. All reggae music going do is change its address. Couple years ago, me hear them say France was the new capital of reggae music, and we ball again. Whoa, what if you say that, right? Jamaica. But France is appreciative of good reggae music. It don't make no sense now. Selector ball, when selector them engaged over the years with playing My DJ. And take money from My DJ to lock out other DJ and other artists in the process. Yeah? You play your DJ all night. And the next man I play theme DJ. And when I play theme DJ, he can't play no more people music. Because theme DJ, we beat him and box him down, him and him friend them. So, you can come complain now. Things kind of change now. When I don't really see no artist for a little while now, I control that selector thing the way he can't play nobody else music. But now, what go on now, the money pull up. Any little man will make some money, little scammer, some little people say them are artists. Going at the dance, and you have to play a theme song for half hour, one song, and every minute him send him money pull up. See? Such that promoter ball now, promoter say we're not do in a them dance. We have to seriously look at how culpable you guys have been, That not go on in Europe. I see a sister come down here. Esther Selector come from Europe, I think Holland. See? And Esther, my sister. But when you hear what them people are play, see, as compared to what Uno are play, it's night and day, But Uno not see that. Uno thinks that what Uno are play are the thing. And it's all about the hype and the way. And Uno are play the rubbish. And now no complain say the standards are dropped. You have people out there make music, How much Marty want to play at night time? How much Dwayne Stevenson? Yeah? To name two younger artists. Well, Dwayne not so young still. See? But we are say, Chronics them out there. Kabaka them out there. See? But them man they now come a dance come Abna Buduno. Them man they now come a dance, come run the money, pull up money. See? So what Uno play the dung in the throat man them and the spitting at the and rubbish when nobody really no want to hear. But uno voice this upon the people. So till it become the standard that the people accept. So the people don't want to hear no good music no more. It's like if them feed you butter water every day. Yeah? And that become your taste. And now you bring spring water come get. A man spit out the spring water and say, what this? Because a gutter water theme thing they know. And that you not do, you know. See? Right now, Trooper the only man me go dance and hear Trooper play some tune, you know. Trooper play some tune, but he might play a whole heap of old tune. See? But when Trooper play the new tune them, I mean Trooper play dancehall too, you know. Everybody have to play dancehall because in the dance, there's space for fun and games. You have to have fun. People come out for have fun. People not just come out for remember them worries and them troubles and way. Through the music. Yeah? But there has to be space for a mix of everything. All you know how to play one thing. And then now, when the standards fall, you know, they're ball. You don't know for ball. See, now that after the selector them radio. What has radio been doing? We have some little radio station here now. Yeah? Where what radio do, there's nothing called a broadcaster anymore on radio being hired, you know. Trained broadcasters will actually learn the thing. What we have is any little man play upon two little sound out there and him popular. The next thing we know him there on radio. Then what you think him going to bring to radio? Because radio no more not have no librarian, you know. Radio no run that way there again where you submit the music to the library and then, you know, the announcer, the broadcaster get the music from the library when meet the standards for play for earplay. No, every little man come in with him one little hard drive and him play with him little friend them give him and pay him for play. Because we are talking the thing straight, you know. Most of the man them on radio now, I scrape them. Yeah? Payola has never been worse than it is now. And why may I say that? Some man used to be broadcasters and understand standards and them would have collect little payola kawa. No man know they for dead for hungry. Man will try a thing. See? But at least he had standards. So when them take the money, he might take the money and play a good output from an artist. See? But now the man them just out there loose and I collect any money and I run down. Every man want to get rich quick. Every little disc jockey on radio. Because I DJ them there on radio now and I that them call them for real. Nobody says a broadcaster anymore. See? When them look for what the artists have. Artists have Benz Jeep, him want Benz Jeep too. And him want it now. And so he will take any money, any funny money, and play anything on the radio. And if it can't play, it bleep out. So that it allowed on the radio. So the man where I make the music, the standard where Foota call for him music never see the light of day if him not have the filthy Luca when I run down. Yeah? So how then we are going to uphold the standards? TV, me I watch TV, have some little program come on. Years them program I go on and they had standards till the thing fall now to the point where them have charts at top 10 in the music. And a chart we run one night and none of them can play. None of the selected songs in the top 10. You cannot hear it. It can't play. See, because it is not fit for earplay. So we don't have that on the chart. I do. But now, take money for put it on the chart. Straight up. We could talk about it. Yeah? And we are not one of them people who want to expose, you know. We know the thing go. We been there with people are big something for it. So no matter feel like say me there as a boy, a Jamaican rare. Saying we have seen it. And people are so big in a foreign that it is corporations, it is the radio stations owned by the record labels. Seeing? And the record label dictate what get the action upon the radio station. Yeah? I've been there, my brethren was one of the top disc jockey on a top radio station in a state in America. I don't want to call the state and the name. Yeah? And we used to go sit in on them program outside of being an artist. I'm a brethren, so we go sit down on the program. See and see how the thing run and see how the radio station operate. And it's the corporation that own the record labels, own the radio stations. And so them decide what is played and what is not played. The difference though is that at least them have some standards from in the production house. Yeah? Some in a year not playing a bleep out. And songs are, sometimes you hear some tune on the radio now, where you wonder, who mix them tune here? Which studio them tune here mix? It have to stop. For real. How do we now recapture the standards? See? And we not fool ourselves. We remember, say, when it was 2 radio stations in this country. Jamaica, yeah. There's a famous story where Bob Marley and him crew had to beat broadcasters and threaten them to actually get the music for play. Now after Bob them risk all of that. See, we bring back the something yes man. Where the man them used to get them rough up there. I say, see it that me never want. Cause me sure anyway them there now them grave. Them I say, wanna see it. We open Pandora's box and wanna see where it reach. But Bob them did that for the culture. What are you guys doing for the culture? Come out now a ball. When you a ball bout. You never love the culture. You don't love the hype. See? That's what I want to love, you know. Show people how much liquor you can drink at night time, how much gal you can have, and how much fake jewelry you can wear. You know, see it? I only if you come out of the culture. Especially those on the radio. You know what I mean? Only if you leg out the something and free it up. Yeah? Top off so much idiot I play music we accept foolishness and substandard things. Somehow if you start stand up for something. Something where I go somewhere. Out there who are king and who are the new king and who this and who that and blah blah blah. All of it is rubbish. And it is now being said by you guys, so I know just me I say. Seriously. Reconsider what I do. Do something for the culture we want to live and eat off of. Otherwise it's going to go dead and somehow now go dead for hungry. Straight up. Because you can't do nothing else. Bless it.